Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my video. I am pretty much going to be showing you guys what I got my family and friends for Christmas this year. Most likely you'll be seeing this video like after Christmas, after the holidays, just because I don't want to ruin the surprise for my family and friends because they watch my videos. So yeah, but I thought it would be a great idea to share because I feel like I got some really cool gift guide ideas for you guys to reference off. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. Obviously you guys can use these gift ideas for like birthdays and stuff like that. So yeah, so I got some stuff, ordered some stuff from Amazon, and then some stuff from stores that I actually went inside and bought. So I guess let's start off with the things that I bought offline. Now let's start off with Amazon. So for my little niece, she is in like 5th grade, I think, 5th or 6th grade. She requested, she's really into like plushies and like squishy stuff. I know that's really like trending right now with the younger girls. So she kind of requested this like squishy plushy pillow. They're called Squishmallows. She told me she wanted this from Walmart, which they are available at Walmart, but I actually got it off Amazon because they had like different sizes, and I believe this is probably one of the biggest size that they have. It's pretty much like a little plushy, very squishy little pillow, and it's a pineapple. And I know there is like different fruits that you can choose from, so if they didn't want a pineapple, they have like different options. But yeah, so I got that for her request, really. And then I also decided to get her, let me show you. Because my niece is very like, she loves like outdoor activities and stuff, she's pretty active. I got her a little skater board, a little skateboard pretty much. They're called mini cruisers, I believe. So I got her one of these. It's pretty heavy, and I got it off Amazon again. This one's pretty cool because I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the lights do turn on. It's like a multicolored LED lights on the wheels and stuff, so when she skates. So I got her one of these. I thought that was pretty cool for her to learn. I'm gonna keep that in the box, so I still need to wrap these presents. So that's what I got my niece. Now for my nephews, I have 2 nephews. For one of my nephews, they're pretty much around the same age. They're in 7th grade. For one of my nephews, oh shit, this is not it. Sorry. I got him a drone. So I thought that would be fun for him to have besides playing video games all the time. This drone had really good reviews on Amazon. It comes with an HD camera, and it also says it has a LED light, so like you can do your drone at night and stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. It does say 14 plus age, but I think my nephew's 13, but my brother, I'm pretty sure, will be there to help. But yeah, you can use this indoors and outdoors. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool little drone to have. I low-key want one of these actually. So yeah, I got this drone. And then for my other nephew, he's also really into video games, but he also loves playing like race car games like GTA, or what's the other one? It's not GTA, it's like Gran Turismo, I think. So like racing games. He already has like the steering wheel to play with, but my brother suggested this to get this for him, but I kind of think it's probably for him as well to play with. But I got him the driving force shifter, so it's a little stimulator shifter so he can use to play. This as well off Amazon. The brand that I got was Logitech. This does with this one you can use it with Xbox and PlayStation, so both consoles can be used. Yeah, so I got him this. I'm pretty sure he will like this. And I think this is a really cool idea, so you can like practice without actually really like actually driving, you know what I mean? So I thought that was nice, so I got him that. And now for my baby nephew, he's like 2, he's pretty much a toddler. Right now my baby nephew is really into like those little race cars, those little mini cars, and he carries it with him everywhere he goes. So I thought he would like this, pretty much this like racetrack, yeah, energy track. So yeah, these are like the little cars that he's really into right now. So yeah, I thought he would get a little kick off playing with this. I'm sure my brother will help him set this up. But yeah, you just kind of place the little car here and it just zooms away and flies off pretty much. So here's a better look of what it does. So I got my little nephew this. By the way, this was not from Amazon. This was from Home Goods. Sorry about that. Yeah, this I got it from Amazon. This was 15 bucks. So for the things that I got online, I will link everything below. So yeah. And then another thing that I got offline was a present for a gift for my brother. I have 3 older brothers, but for one of my brothers, he's been really helping me a lot with like fixing my car, so I kind of wanted to splurge a little bit more for him. And I got this suggestion gift idea from my sister-in-law. Yeah, I got him some Nike Air Max shoes. I like Nike Air Max. They're very like unisex, you know, but these specific ones are made for men. But yeah, I got it. It was less than $100. I always check like the sale items before I try to look at the full price items, and then try to see if there's like a coupon available. So yeah, I got this shoe. I think it looks really nice. It has like white, some light gray, blue, I believe blue is his favorite color, and then like a dark gray right here. So I think these look really nice. So hopefully he likes those. And then it came obviously in the Nike box and stuff. So I got that for him. Now, let's see. The things that I got off, the things that I got off from the stores. So I'm gonna start off with, yeah, the rest of the things are gonna be from TJ Maxx pretty much. So for my mom is one of those persons where she's like always cold. I know you guys have a friend a friend that's always freaking cold, and I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but I decided to get her a heated throw blanket. So yeah, this was 60 bucks, $59.99 from TJ Maxx. It comes with the little remote control settings, and then it looks like this really nice, soft, cozy throw blanket. And yeah, that's kind of give you a better visual of it. But yeah, that's pretty much my mom in the morning. She'll literally is like that in the morning with her coffee, reading a book, or actually reading the Bible with her little blanket. So this one will keep her nice and warm. Hopefully this, pretty sure, would last long. So I got her that. For my dad is a little tricky to buy just because, you know, my parents are like senior. I have senior parents, and they are elderly, so sometimes it's kind of hard to kind of see what they want or maybe need. But I know one thing for sure, my dad loves a good cologne, and I found this Versace like kit at TJ Maxx. This is honestly one of the best colognes that you can find at like TJ Maxx, Ross, or like Marshalls and stuff. But yeah, and I know how this one smells. This is the Versace one that I got. It smells really good. And it comes with the cologne, it comes with the aftershave, and then it also comes with the hair and body shampoo. So, and this was $49.99 at TJ Maxx. So I thought that was really nice for my dad. I'm sure he will like it a lot. Now for one of my sister-in-laws, I got her this like wrist hand wallet purse, I believe. It's from Steve Madden. They had like a bunch in the purse section. They had it in 2 colors, in black and brown, but I went with the black just because I feel like it would go better with a lot of different outfits. So I got her this black one. Steve Madden wallet purse. I low-key kind of want one. And this was only $14.99, so I got that for her. Now for one of my besties, it's really easy to shop for my besties because we pretty much have the same styles and we like the same things. So I got her this really cute tie-dye sweatshirt that I found in the women's section. It's a little not sweatshirt but like a hoodie pretty much, and it has pockets and stuff. So I thought this was really cute. I low-key wanted to grab one for myself so that way we can be twinsies, but I didn't. And then I also got her this really cute glass water bottle. It's supposed to be like eco-friendly. The lid is like made out of wood, but I also like the fact that the lid has this like little holder here, so that way if she's like walking or going on hikes, she can hold it like this. It's easier to hold. And then I also just really like the print that they had. It's like a tropical flower print that it has, and it's pretty sturdy, so I got this for her. And then I believe this is, yeah, last but not least, for one of my brothers, my oldest brother actually. I know he's really into fashion and he likes to look nice and flashy, so I decided to get him a little jewelry set. I got him this gold bracelet, and this is from the jewelry section, like over the counter at TJ Maxx, where you like have to ask someone to like open it up for you. So yeah, I got him this little bracelet, and I know he's really into this stuff, but I don't know if hopefully he still likes it, but I haven't been seeing him wear it. I don't know, but I got him this. And then I also got him the matching like necklace to go with it. So yeah, I thought that was pretty nice for him. Something nice. So the necklace and the bracelet, and then the lady kind of put it in this little black box for me. So yeah, and that's what I got my oldest brother. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully it gave you guys some gift ideas. So another thing that I find is really neat to give away is either a Bluetooth speaker or an air fryer. So, which I have both, but not right now. I don't have it with me right now. But yeah, anyways, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see future videos. And if you are subscribed, make sure you press the notification bell so that way you guys are notified every time I upload. Bye, I love you guys.